beautiful drive to work. Had the windows down, smelling the fresh air. Smells like fresh cut grass. It's foggy. I'm wearing this crazy lipstick.
Back to work today. I got an AV gig at the Dove and then a show that I'm running audio for. It's a full day. It is 58 degrees.
Thank you very much. Route 2011. I have no trouble remembering that number.
Today's a little rough. Just a lot to do, a lot to recon, a lot of manager work. But I get to go pick up some glass. So that's nice. I get a little office break. We freaking out here. Got some pipes. Some more back there. Back to the shop.
AV event done. I got about 1 hour to find something to eat and then it's sound check for the show tonight. It's quick, it's easy, and it's reliable.
Another sad, lonely night. Leaving the office. I worked 13 hours today. Neat. Sometimes you just gotta keep on smiling, even though you may feel like breaking down.
Sound check went off without a hitch, right?
Absolutely.
It's all good?
It was incredible. One of the best sound checks I've had today.
You heard it first. And he's done like 10 sound checks today. It sounds great in here, man. At least on stage it does. I'm serious. This might be the best venue we've played so far on this tour.
Feels like another day's bleeding into the night. Lay your head on my chest while my beating heart pounds out the secrets of this life.
Lay beside me now and rest your weary bones. You were my prayer in times of trouble. Soon for good you'll have to close your eyes, with the years wrapped around your body like a weight. Mom, I guess that too is just how we're made. So when the angels come to carry you away, may they whisper in your ear my serenade.
That was a good show tonight. I enjoyed those guys. Oh, but I'm tired. I'm really tired. Well, good night.